Hello, Mudman from the UK. Basically, just wanted to get in touch and basically ask for your advice. Really, came across your videos today. Thank you very much for putting them up. They're really great. Really sort of interesting stuff on there. I'm really sort of trying to learn from what you've been doing. Basically, literally found today after finding this little gem, or what I thought was a gem, in a recycling centre near me. It's basically a very large sort of shredder motor. To give you an idea of the size of it, that's sort of my hand, and next to it, so it's quite a large motor for a shredder. It weighs probably about 1.5 kilograms. I don't know what that is in pounds, unfortunately, but 1.5 kilograms, maybe 2 kilograms at a push. Okay, now the real problem that I've encountered so far, I think, is that your motors that you've been using are all permanent magnet AC motors, whereas I'm not even sure what this one is. Just to give you an idea, my electrical knowledge is poor. I'm more of a PC computer person, very computer literate, but not so much on the power side. So I'm trying to learn. It's really interesting. I really want to build my own sort of generator, even if it's a small voltage at first. Like I say, I just want to learn and build it up at this point. So I've got a little multimeter, which again I don't really know how to use thoroughly, but I'm looking at it and we can see. So what I've got at the moment is, what strikes me about this whole engine, this whole motor here, is that it seems to be very inefficient. From what I can tell, it's a brush based motor. You can see sort of the little brushes in there that I've got my multimeter hooked up to. I've got my black on this side, my red on this side. Okay, now at the moment my resistance is reading 14.5, but again I'm not really sure what that means, but there you go, there's the settings. Okay, if I now change this to here and spin up my rather dangerous screwdriver apparatus, which I'm going to dismantle straight away because it's pretty dangerous, to be honest with you. I'm going to take that apart. So if I spin that up though, okay, what I get is around about that, and that's going about probably about 120 RPM. Okay, ooh, there we go. That's about 120 RPM. I'm getting that sort of reading. Okay, just for that to focus slightly. Okay, on that setting I'm getting about that. On the following setting, I'm getting that. Same sort of speed, give you an idea. Okay, that's the reading I'm getting. As I say, I am a complete newbie to this, so any advice, any help you can give me would be awesome. If I do need to get another motor, as I say, this just strikes me as very inefficient. I've got loads and loads of copper sitting here. I've got absolutely tons of the stuff inside. If you can see the innards of that. Okay, that's all the way around. All that copper goes all the way around. I've got loads of copper up here. Okay, if it means I need to rip this apart, take out the copper, create my own coils, buy some strong magnets and create my own sort of permanent magnet AC generator, then I'm happy to do that. But at the moment, yeah, as I say, this just strikes me as pretty inefficient, to be honest with you, and probably the wrong type of motor. So yeah, if you can give me any advice, any help, any tips, anything like that, I would greatly appreciate it. And I'm going to spend the rest of the evening having a beer and watching all of your videos on my PC up there. I'm all set, I'm all ready to go. So yeah, any help that you can give me, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks.